Maximizing your legal options. How to seek redress for trucking injuries in Houston. If you've experienced the misfortune of a trucking-related injury in Houston, it's crucial to understand your legal options. Trucking accidents can lead to significant physical, emotional, and financial distress. However, with the right legal counsel, you can secure the compensation you deserve. Here's a comprehensive guide to navigating the legal complexities and seeking redress for trucking injuries in the vibrant city of Houston. Understanding the complexity of trucking injuries. Trucking injuries are often severe and can lead to long-term health consequences. From spinal injuries to traumatic brain damage, victims can face a myriad of challenges. Additionally, the intricacies of trucking regulations and insurance protocols can make the legal process daunting. Consequently, having a seasoned legal professional on your side is vital to ensure your rights are protected and that you receive the compensation necessary for your recovery. The role of a competent trucking injuries lawyer. In the wake of a trucking accident, enlisting the expertise of a skilled trucking injury lawyer is imperative. These legal professionals specialize in handling the intricacies of trucking accident cases and possess the necessary knowledge to navigate the complex web of regulations. With their expertise, they can effectively negotiate with insurance companies and ensure that you receive the rightful compensation for your suffering, medical expenses, and any lost wages. Key steps in pursuing a trucking injury claim. When pursuing a trucking injury claim, it's crucial to follow a strategic approach. Your lawyer will typically guide you through the following steps. Gathering evidence. Collecting pertinent evidence is crucial. This may include obtaining police reports, medical records, and eyewitness accounts to establish the details of the accident and the extent of your injuries. Determining liability. Identifying the liable parties is pivotal. It may involve investigating the trucking company, the driver, the maintenance crew, or even the manufacturer, depending on the circumstances surrounding the accident. Negotiating with insurers. Your legal representative will skillfully negotiate with insurance companies to ensure that you receive a fair settlement that covers your medical expenses, lost income, and any pain and suffering endured. Litigation, if necessary. In some cases, litigation becomes necessary. Your lawyer will represent your best interests in court, presenting a compelling case to secure the compensation you rightfully deserve. The importance of timely action. Time is of the essence in trucking injury cases. Initiating legal action promptly is essential to ensure that critical evidence is preserved and witness testimonies are fresh. Moreover, adhering to legal deadlines is crucial to avoid any potential hurdles in the claims process. Conclusion. Dealing with the aftermath of a trucking accident can be overwhelming. However, with the support of a proficient trucking injuries lawyer in Houston, you can navigate the legal complexities and secure the compensation necessary for your recovery and well-being. Don't let your suffering go unnoticed. Take the necessary steps to protect your rights and seek the justice you rightfully deserve.